Dexler Energy is chala good company. They are not at all commercial people, and their way of working and style of working chala baagundi. I am Krishnamurthy, Managing Director of Akhila Sai Jyothi Industries Private Limited. We are basically manufacturing to sponge iron. Our plant is located at Koppal district, Karnataka. We were producing around 400 tons per day sponge iron, and presently we are utilizing Karnataka government JESCOM power. We have planned to go for solar power for our self-consumption. Accordingly, we have planned and we have commissioned 4 megawatt solar power near Hansi with Hansi substation, and the same power we are utilizing at our plant. And this completely project done by Dexler Energy, Bangalore. Regarding the land selection, Dexler people have shown me 3-4 lands, and finally we have taken one land which is red soil. I always prefer red soils. There will not be any future problems in maintenance and all. During the process of acquiring the land, also they have done very good job by getting all approvals within the time, and perfectly done, including NA, everything. Even I have recommended maybe 10-20 people already. Accordingly, I have placed order with the Dexler Energy by negotiating the prices part and everything, and the technical part everything. I have placed order for 4 megawatt AC and 4 megawatt DC with future expansion of another 1.6 DC. They have done very actually a good job from the point of finalizing the land to the commissioning of the project, including the selection of the material and the quality of the material, quality of the contractor work and everything. Getting the approvals in evacuation, there is some delay, maybe 15-20 days. That's also negligible. The key benefits with these projects, power will drastically reduce. The maximum demand plus only we need to pay. I have approached Dexler. In the first instance itself, I have found we'll go ahead with this Dexler Energy, because the other inputs also have come from the market were very good. I met all the top people at their office and found they are very much capable to do this job without any hurdles or something. So that's why I've decided to go with Dexler Energy.